What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Whoo-wee. What a hectic week. I hope everybody's good out there, like I always say, because you gotta check up on your peoples. There's nothing wrong checking on your people, see how they doing. This car is like, I feel like I'm getting things accomplished with this vehicle. Number one. Number two, it's a beautiful day outside. Oh my God, the sun just hit hard. Oh, there we go. Oh, good old bug. Number two, it is nice outside. We've been getting this crazy weather, hot, rain, super hot, super rain, all that good stuff. But that's here or near because today is a beautiful day. And I got some stuff that I am working on this car as we speak. I just got to untape and unwrapping the engine bay. Out of a 10, I'll give it a 7. Not too bad, not too shabby. It's all right. It's gonna work for me. When I swap out everything else out the car, it's gonna probably get redone down the line. But for right now, it's gonna work for me. Man, when you get tired, like when you by yourself doing stuff like this, I always say this: you gotta take your time. You gotta, man, it's a lot. This is a lot, but I'm getting through it, so I'm not mad about it. It's something that it pushes you to do what you have to do. Some cool things I am getting. Number one, before I even forget, so I did have some issues with the engine mounts, the top ones for my right side, the transmission, and the back transmission brackets. When I ordered those a couple, like 2 years ago, I believe, and I thought they was the right one. They're not the right one. So I'm waiting on another pair. Matter of fact, I lied. Let me rewind that back. So that first one, the all black ones I have, these bad boys, no go. But I'll keep the bolts and stuff like that. None of these, I think probably the right and the back will fit, but not the left driver's side. What else? So that happened. Then I ended up ordering another pair. Maybe about 2 weeks ago. It took a while for them to get it. For me to get it. Those didn't fit because in the description it says for a Honda Civic for $99, blah blah blah, legit company. And it's funny about it because they told me I got it, I sent it back. When I got it, it was already like damaged already because the way they shipped it in the box. And I wasn't too fond of that because they always had the chips in it. The chip, it was damaged pretty much. And I rewrapped it real good, so I didn't use it. I just rewrapped it and sent it back to the place. And they told me 15 to 30 days to get my money back. We'll see. But I've been back and forth with this company, so I told this person, whoever's on the other end of this email, listen here, you already got the parts. I didn't even put it on the car. I didn't use it. Nothing. So I should get my money back. Oh, well, we'll give you the 5 to 10 days. 10 days next week. If they don't have my money, I got another plan for detail. Because, come on. If somebody ordering a performance part or non-performance part from your place, it don't take you 15 to 30 days to return your money back. They talking about they got to do all these testing and all that stuff. All right. I'll keep you posted on that one. I said, what company does that stuff? But moving forward, I did order another pair. That by the way, the stuff that I'm ordering, like I've been on eBay like crazy. I haven't ordered anything from Amazon because every time I order something from Amazon, doesn't matter if it's parts related or some type of tools, somehow it disappears. Either the driver takes it, or I get it, it's not the right part. Either way, so I've been sticking to eBay for a while. What do we have? So for this car, I end up getting which I had the intake manifold, Skunk, what was that, Skunk Pro? I'm crossing fingers, hoping the same thing fits. I only have to fit, just line up. Yeah, so I ended up buying a Skunk. What is this called? Okay, yep, Skunk 2 Alpha series. That's not what I want to do. So I know this will fit on my Skunk Pro intake, which I'm gonna clean up, which is this bad boy. I gotta clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up. It says fits. As long as it's compatible with it, I'm fine. I don't have to ship it back. Brand new. The seller, I think I pretty much have to pay for this thing. Oh God. $125 with tax? Nope, I lied. Nope, it was like $125 with tax. Boy, oh boy. So, did get the hardware, which is super fly. Which is, oh, snap. Okay, I know, okay. So yeah, I've been, like I said, just been on. And it also came with the gasket. Right now it's two different ones because I wanted the solid plastic one. This one right here, the paper, well, it's not too bad. It's like a hard plastic, but it's like a paper one. Instead of me keeping this one, I'm not using this one, but I'll keep it. I'm using this one. Who the heck? I gotta figure out where I get this one from. I only paid like $15 on it, and it's pretty thin. Oh. Compare these two. Yeah, see? So that's why I ordered this one. This one is pretty thick, pretty thin. Let's see how this fits. Uh-oh. Sorry, off-camera people. Okay. I might have to end up. Hold on. Oh, you might have to use the other one. I might have to use the other one. And nope, I don't. So I do fit. It's a 70 millimeter. Good. I don't have to. Perfect. Yeah, buddy. So that's one. And where is the manifold? It do buddy. I don't know what you gonna do. Uh-oh. Nope. Oh, shoot. Yeah, buddy. On point. Yes. So, this is getting repainted today. Be one less thing I have to do tomorrow. So both of these parts fits which is wonderful. I am glad that I ordered what I needed to order because I'm struggling. I was struggling. Let me show you the part I had. This is hilarious, and this is funny to me. This is hilarious to me. This stuff, like when you swap out parts for a car, oh, nope, that's not it. So this is my stock throttle body. Look how dirty this damn thing is. This is ridiculous. Oh. Hold on, one more thing. One more thing. So I had ordered these, I don't even know how many years ago. I had this thick ass spacer between the throttle body and the intake manifold. Why? Don't know. This is, and I thought I was doing something. Don't know why, but guess I wasn't doing something because now I can go in the garbage. Speaking of, so that's getting paint. I got to swap all the, man, I think I'm going to have to clean this up a little bit. Mats and all the good stuff. Boy, when you need stuff for cars, you gotta order stuff. You just gotta do what you gotta do. So here is the, like I said, it's not too shabby, but it got done. I just got through taking off the tape. Some tapes are still up there, but it's okay. And let me tell you something. I'm making a point. I'm supposed to go to this car. Not supposed to. I am going to this car show next couple of weeks. I'm making that promise to myself. And I'm not too bad off of it. Just got to do a couple more little fun things on the car. What else I got to do to the car? My tires and rims, I definitely had to bring to a shop probably this week. I just got to pick up a day to do it because I need my tires and rims. Maybe I might do it to Monday? Maybe Monday? I might pack it and stuff and, Monday might have to happen. Excuse me. Monday might have to happen. Because I need to get this stuff done. More stuff I get out, like stuff like that, get out the way, the better. The rims and tires have got to be put together. I still got to sand down the body of the car so I can wrap it. That's going to be a last thing I'm going to do. Engine mount should be here probably Monday or Tuesday. It's in Gamby. So maybe Monday. If not Monday, it'll be here Tuesday. Once I come in, I'm going to take that. Like I said, just take the old ones out, replace it. I'll be happy with those. As soon as they fit, I'm gonna be, oh my god, I don't even know how much I spend like in parts. I think I'm gonna have to go to eBay and see how much I really spend in all these parts that I put in, but it's worth it. And I told myself I got tired of looking at this car in this storage, not the storage, but it's just been sitting in storage for a period of long time. And when you get tired of things, you just gotta just keep pushing through. Just do what you gotta do and make things happen. That would be me. Tired of looking at it. I want to make it happen. It runs. I had to take stuff off, replace it. My shirt is soaked because it was so hot in here. I feel like an oven. I'm not even joking. But needless to say, I thank you for watching. This process and journey is gonna be so fun. It is fun to me. It's just a lot of hard work. Once you put that hard work in, you do what you gotta do. Things will make it happen. On that note, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. I will keep you updated with the Civic. Yeah, with the Civic. Peace.